Hey, the 4th season of Cobra Kai was released a few days ago on Netflix. That inspired me for this diorama. Let's go! I saw a piece of scrapwood and roughly drew the outline on the landscape. I liked the idea of a small river, so I saw a recess in the wood. For the landscape, I take some foam and glue it down. Then I mix some plaster and glue the previously dried plaster boards on crumbled aluminum foil onto the foam. The whole thing is now prime black. After drying, the whole thing is dry brushed with different brown and light grey tones. Then I take my time and breathe life into the landscape by spreading grass everywhere. For the Torii gate I use a popsicle stick. Fun fact, a Torii gate marks the entrance to Shinto shrines in Japan. I like the idea with a golden temple and a Torii gate. I've printed this temple with my elegoo mask 3D printer. Painted the roof in the golden color and glued it down. But what also comes in mind when I think of Japan are the blossoming cherry trees. The tree I've bent from copper wire and wrapped with toilet paper and glue. Then painted down and dry brushed. For the flower I use a kitchen sponge, which I still painted with different red and white tones. After drying, torn into tiny pieces and glued as flowers on the tree. Time to plant the tree. I use UV current resin for the flow. For this I build a small boundary of plastic cards. I add a few drops of blue to the resin and pour it in carefully. After 1 hour the resin is cured. I remove the boundary and unfortunately find that the plastic cards stick to it. So my grinding machine comes into play. Which gave quite a mess. With Vallejo Water Texture I add waves and a waterfall. If you want to see how I make a fantasy diorama from an ostrich egg with an ancient bear spirit, then watch this video here. Bye!